Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is going to be creative day, so I'm going to choose some colors that I feel inspired of today, and we're going to make a beautiful look. It's time to get ready with me, Dilandia.
It is so important to prep your face before applying makeup. I am using Precision Lift and Firm Collagen all over my face. Spray away with PS Matte Setting Spray. Then set primers with a beauty blender. And don't forget to moisturize your lips. I will start with my eyebrows. Using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to clean and define eyebrows. For eyeshadow primer, I'm using P. Louis shade 04. While applying, I am looking down to avoid any creases. Today, we will play with PS Wild Romance eyeshadow palette. I call this the miracle tape. First, moisturize eye area before applying tape. This is the shape of the look I will create with tape. Let's begin. I'm using the Tarte Sex Skin Liquid Liner. It's a challenge to use the liquid eyeliner on myself. That's when very often I seek the assistance of Luis to make it look a perfect eyeliner. I am trying Juvia's Place Foundation shade Tangerine. With very little, it covers the whole face. Also, I'm using Juvia's Place Concealer shade 18. With Laura Mercier translucent powder, just a little under the eye. I like to apply bronzer first in the areas I want. And then I blend away to look natural. I love this highlighter from BH Cosmetics. Using shade Radiant, it gives me a very soft, natural, glowy look, and you don't need much product. Now it's all about the lips. This is the process I do to combine my colors. Dab your lips. And lastly, outline again to revive lip liner color used previously. How beautiful it looks. I'm loving it. To finalize, I'm using Morphe Continuous Settings Mist so it can last me all day.
Hi, this is the final look of being creative. Thank you for staying all the way to the end, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comment below. Send us your picture. We want to see what you create with your inspiration of today's video. Remember, make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and we hope to see you next time. Bye!